April 4th, and welcome to The Fix, your hookup with the latest in entertainment. Today and every Saturday on The Fix, I'll answer your entertainment questions. Since this is the first week of the show, I've got a few questions of my own. First off, will I ever get to see Project Runway again? Thankfully, the question was finally answered this week, and it's a resounding yes. After months in limbo because of a legal struggle between Bravo parent company NBC Universal, the Weinstein Company, and the Lifetime channel, Season 6 of the popular design series will air sometime this summer on Lifetime. The dispute began last April when NBC Universal sued Weinstein after the company made a $150 million deal with Lifetime for the series. After a year of legal wrangling, the Weinsteins have agreed to pay NBC Universal for the right to move the project to the women-centric Lifetime. The sixth season has already been taped and features Supermodel host Heidi Klum, mentor Tim Gunn, and judges Michael Kors and Nina Garcia. I'm looking forward to seeing what kind of challenges they've cooked up for Season 6, but it's disappointing that the top 3 designers, who are traditionally featured in one of the final shows at New York Fashion Week, didn't get a chance to introduce their collections because of the lawsuit. This is one of the bright spots of the show, as each designer gets the spotlight in front of the top names of fashion. Hopefully, they'll give each designer a moment to shine in another way in the finale. From the runway to the football field, will there be another season of the critically acclaimed but ratings underdog Friday Night Lights? Surprisingly, yes, times 2. NBC said this week that the series has been renewed for 2 more 13-episode runs and will air through the 2010-2011 season. The football and family drama receives consistently good reviews and won a George Foster Peabody Award in 2006, but it has struggled in the ratings, averaging 4.5 million viewers this season. Angela Bromstead, president of Primetime Entertainment for NBC, says the network is glad to stand behind a high-quality show with a tremendously loyal fan base. The new seasons of Friday Night Lights, which stars Kyle Chandler, Conley Britton, and a host of young talent, will play on DirecTV in the fall and be repeated on NBC the following January, a continuation of this season's deal that made the show financially viable. Executive producer Jason Katims says knowing exactly how many episodes they have left will allow the showrunners to think about what kind of stories they want to tell and where events will lead. Hopefully, it will go nowhere near the events of Season 2, but stick to the real-life relationship and family dynamic themes of Seasons 1 and 3. I'm also hoping they'll find a way to keep around Taylor Kitsch's character, who played his final high school football game in this week's episode. Though Kitsch may have no use for TV after he portrays the card-dealing, staff-wielding mutant Gambit in this summer's X-Men Origins Wolverine. That's it for today. Remember, you can be part of the show on Saturday by submitting your questions to heather.bremer@heraldbulletin.com. Thanks for watching. I'm Heather Bremer, and now you've got your fix.